Hi everyone, and we are here in Naples at the end of this ETN focus workshop, where the focus was PON, Ithaca and Insieme programs. We can finally say that it was a very successful event, and we have the confirmation that the boutique formula really works. Here the agents and the educators had really the chance to get to know each other, to talk about their programs, their offers, and to relax, so to really enjoy the event and also the city, the beautiful Naples. So this was a success, but we are already working on our next event, and let me read which are the next events. So we will be in Krakow the 18th and 19th of April with the focus, where the focus will be Central and Eastern Europe focus. Then we will be in May 21st and 22nd in Mexico City. And here the focus will be language learning and development. Then in September we will be again in Italy, in Milan, the 4th and the 5th of September. And here the focus will be language, boarding and summer camp. And the 8th and 9th of October we will be in Beijing, China, where the focus will be arts, design and creative professions. And finally, to close the year, we will be in Astana, Kazakhstan, where the focus will be Polashak and the English language focus. So we will update you about the next events, and I would like to take the chance to say really a big thank you to all the educators, the agents that participated to this event and make it to be a success. And a big thank you also to the staff of the ETN Focus Workshop Lab and everybody that was here to help organizing a successful event. So thank you, and in the meantime, stay tuned.